Okay, this will be a cold start video on the 82 Seville diesel. I'm going to start the car, I'm going to pull it out of this warehouse so it's not idling indoors, and then I'm going to go ahead and let it run until the high idle solenoid pops off after it's warmed up a little bit. And while we're waiting for that, we'll do some walk around and look at some features. So here we go. Security system light works. Key in. It's the glow light, the weight right there. Press the accelerator about halfway to set the high idle, and then cranks right up. Other warning lights go off. See mileage there, and we'll do that better when it's outside where we can see a little better. Climate control, radio. Go ahead and pull it out. All right, radio on. See the power antenna going up like it should. Radio works well, all the speakers work. Clock works, presets. I've never tried the cassette player. I don't have any cassettes. Probably works. Factory CB. It works. Turn that back off. Antenna going back down like it should. All right, let's do the air conditioner. So if we push outside temperature, you can see it's 81 degrees outside right now. We'll put this on auto, and we'll crank this down to 60, which is maximum air conditioning. Hear the fan kick on. Blows nice and cool out the dash like it should. If we crank it up all the way to heat, then now it's blowing out down here on the floor. So all of the vacuum works right, the mixer works right. It's already starting to heat up. Same thing if we go defrost. Oh, that's rear. If we hit front defrost. Now blowing out these vents up here. And back to automatic. Back to air conditioning. Out the dash again. All right. Digital speedometer works. The digital fuel gauge is erratic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It sort of has a mind of its own. Wipers work like they should, park like they should. Lights, all of the exterior lights work. The Twilight Sentinel works. The auto dimming lights work. The cruise control works. The multi-note horn works. In fact, I haven't found anything on the car that doesn't work correctly. It's got the Home Link garage door opener. That's a pretty rare item to find these days. Windows. They all work, and they work from the driver switch or from the seat switches. Walk around a little bit in the sunshine. It's got the true wires, original paint. Chrome is all in really good condition. The paint on the top of the car, on the hood, the top, and the trunk, it's a little thin. But on the sides, you still got great shine. The filler panels, I believe, are original to the car, although they could have been replaced. Don't really know for sure, but they are in great condition. Okay, there it just popped down off of the high idle. So now it's at the normal idle position on the car. Just a very clean, very original car. Well taken care of its whole life. Not molested in any way. It's got plenty of paint chips and things, as you would expect on original paint. I'll highlight that in the photos. And actually, as I'm taking this video, I haven't even cleaned the car up. You can see some dirt there behind the wheel. It's been in the warehouse for a couple of months. It's a little dusty. It's got a little road grime on it. We'll get it all cleaned up before we take the photos. So, thanks for watching.